So continuing with inequalities, I'd like to talk about a couple of special situations that um, don't always adhere to simple solving for x. Um, there isn't always a solution for an inequality. So let's look at a case where that is true. Um, we're given a problem here, -2 times 3x plus 1 is greater than -6x plus 7. Okay, so we're just going to solve this like we would any other time. We're going to distribute our -2 to our two terms. And that leaves us with -6x minus 2 is greater than -6x plus 7. And now I can already see a problem here. We have a -6x here, we have a -6x here. If we're trying to solve for x, this is going to be a problem because if I add 6x to both sides, that cancels this out, but it also cancels this out. So it gets rid of all of the terms that contain an x. And we're left with -2 is greater than 7. Well, is -2 greater than 7? No, it is not. So this actually is a situation where there is no solution. So what that means is, for this situation, -2 times the quantity of 3x plus 1 is greater than -6x plus 7. There is no value for x where this could be true. All right. On the opposite end of the spectrum, let me grab a different color here. On the opposite end of the spectrum, let's look at a problem like this. We have, oh, that's not very dark, is it? Sorry, 1 second. There we are. Okay. So, let's look at this problem. 5x, 5 times the quantity of 2x minus 3 minus 7x is less than or equal to 3x plus 8. All right. So, once again, I recognize distribution. I see this 5 needs to be distributed to these two terms. So if I do that, that leaves me with 10x minus 15 minus 7x is less than or equal to 3x plus 8. All right, now I'm looking for my like terms. I see an x here, an x here, an x here. So let's start combining like terms. If I combine on the left side of the inequality sign, I have a 10x and a -7x. Well, that combines to make 3x. And then I drop down the -15 is less than or equal to 3x plus 8. All right, now I'm seeing a very similar situation as we just saw previously when we had no solution. If I start to try to isolate our variable x and I bring -3 or subtract 3x from both sides, well, that cancels the 3x here and it also cancels the 3x here, and then we're left with -15 is less than or equal to +8. Well, that's actually a true statement. -15 is less than or equal to +8. So in this case, our inequality is true, and it is always true. So all real numbers all real numbers is the solution. All real numbers. Or you can write it like that. Okay.